And it is, what time? 5:09 a.m. I'm doing my final packing. I slept like 20 minutes. Yo, I am in LA! It's gonna take 39 minutes to go 10 miles. I'm gonna go enjoy Hollywood Boulevard or whatever, Rodeo Drive, and just see what's up. In the city. On Rodeo Drive right now. Hey. Rodeo Drive, if you're not familiar, it's where like a lot of famous people shop. Rolex, Petite, Cartier's right over in the corner right there. Everything's still decorated from like Christmas and the New Year's and stuff like that. Like, I'm so excited right now. Like, Balenciaga, Beyonce's popping. Tom Ford, Bali, what's that? Armani. I mean, it's like, I'm pretty sure you gotta pay a cover fee to get in. Gucci gang. I'm overwhelmed. This is really exciting. So I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna walk around. There's Saint Laurent. Oh yeah. But if I see anything cool, I'll hop back on here. I wanted to show you the Louis Vuitton display case. It's lit. And also, I don't know if you can see, but that is Rodeo Drive, and then Dayton Way is the crossroad right there. It is like, just lavish out here. Everything's just fire. It just looks like money. I like that. Alright, I'm on Rodeo Drive. Just look at these diamonds I just bought myself. Look at some more I can buy for everybody. I just started, look, these guys in black suits just started following me. I don't know. All right, after much anticipation and a very, very delicious slice of pizza, I found the Beverly Hills Sign. Yes. Dun 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 dun. Beverly Hills. That's where I want to be. Beverly Hills, California, Beverly Hills Sign. We made it, I made it, you made it, we all made it. Cheers. We have made it, folks, to the infamous Hollywood Walk of Fame. It is here where numerous stars have been literally cemented into the ground for everybody to remember and everybody to walk on. It's a rainy day, but it's still awesome. I'm actually headed this way to the Chinese Theater, and I'm gonna check out these shops around here in the meantime and just kind of, I don't know, enjoy what's going on out here. So I saw on YouTube that there's a very good secret spot to see the Hollywood sign, and I found it. I found it in real life. Ready for the reveal? Wait for it. Boom. Oh, you can't really see it. It's so far away. But it's right there.